To view, print, delete a voucher program billing statement. Select Billing Statement in the navigation panel. Then click View, Print, Delete VP Billing Statement. The list of created billing statements can be viewed per school year. Select the school year from the drop-down list to view the list. To print a billing statement, click the print icon. To delete a billing statement, click the delete icon. Click Yes to delete the billing statement. This function is only enabled for billing statement with the status On Process School and is not applicable for the previous school year's billing statements.